Turning now to politics, we are just 4 weeks away now from voters heading to the polls to choose Georgia's next governor. And today, both candidates brought in some big names to help them rally support.
Yeah, Fox 5's Claire Sims is live in Athens, where the Brian Kemp campaign just wrapped up an event with Donald Trump Jr. Claire?
Yeah, that event ending here at the Classic Center in Athens just about 20 minutes or so ago. The campaign estimates there were about 150 supporters here at this ticketed event. We saw a similar crowd for a Stacey Abrams event this morning. With just 28 days until Election Day, Georgia's gubernatorial hopefuls embrace a little outside help. Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren rallying supporters for Democrat Stacey Abrams at an event at Clayton State University Tuesday morning. And Donald Trump Jr. stumping for Republican Brian Kemp in Athens in the evening.
Keep on chopping, baby.
It's a race where the White House and national politics have had a big impact, with President Donald Trump endorsing Kemp in the Republican runoff this summer.
I know you're going to do an awesome job in the governor's mansion.
And the Abrams faithful seizing on anti-Trump sentiment.
The right-wing conservatives are sounding the alarm. Whoa, that woman might win. Outside money is pouring in. Donald Trump's thumbs are in overdrive.
Both camps believe their candidate has what it takes to win November 6th. It's just about who can get their voters to the polls.
Get in this fight. Yeah, Stacey needs your vote, no doubt about that, but Stacey needs your commitment.
We need you to get Brian Kemp in the governor's office, because that's going to matter, not just for 2018, but it's going to play a big part of how Trump performs in 2020.
So the big message from both campaigns today, not just for supporters to get out and vote, but to get their friends, their family, their neighbors to do the same. Reporting live in Athens, Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.
All right, Claire. Well, early voting in person begins on Monday. Today was the last day to register to vote. You can check your registration status online at mvp.sos.ga.gov. Election Day is November 6th.